Hey everyone, my name's Jip. Tech is my passion and this channel is really about sharing and expressing this passion. I'm happy to connect with you on LinkedIn and Instagram. My links are included in the description below. Welcome to episode 4 of the Decentraland series. In this episode, we'll be looking at setting up DCL SDK in our Visual Studio Code environment and deploying the building model in the DCL preview. So let's begin. This is the model that we will be deploying to our test environment. The first level is the lobby area. A wall partitions the space into two usable areas. Perhaps the smaller area can be utilized as a gallery for NFTs and the larger one to welcome guests. The entrance to the area is open. The second level is similar to the first in space layout. It has a full-height glass window for maximum viewing pleasure. The glass allows natural lighting to illuminate the space, making it a more lively area to explore. Finally, the open rooftop is accessible. Space is completely open for maximum use. Okay, let's deploy our model in Visual Studio Code. Here, we have an empty project. Launch Terminal by clicking on the Terminal menu item, and then New Terminal. Initialize your project by typing npm init. Press enter for all input prompts. You may customize your project settings if you like. Next, install the Decentraland module globally. The installation instructions can be found on the SDK website. Link is provided in the description. Be sure to install the module with -G, which is global. Next, we initialize the project by running command DCL init. Y to continue. Select scene and press enter. Next, launch the default scene by running command DCL start. The default object in the scene is the rotating cube. Remove the generated code and type in this block of code. create a models directory and copy the GLB files into it. There are two versions of the GLB files, one with colliders and one without. Colliders give solidness to your building models in Decentraland. So let's try the scene without colliders. The character is able to walk through walls, not very practical. So now, let's deploy the colliders model. With the colliders in place, the character is not able to pass through walls. Let's head up to the rooftop. You may download the non-collider version of this model by going to my OpenSea collection. Link in the description below. You can purchase the collider version currently priced at 0.05 ETH.